It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week what we're going to be fixing is chicken and dumplings. And what we'll need is some chicken thighs. That's what we're using. It'd be really good if you had a rotisserie chicken or a whole chicken. This is the spices we're going to use. The blend, Kinder's the blend. Salt, pepper, and garlic. 1 cream of chicken soup. Cream of chicken soup, yeah, I said that right. A stick of butter, flour, thing of chicken broth, carrots, onions, and celery. Alright, let's start frying up the chicken. Alright, now I'm going to fry up our chicken. I got our seasoning on. Alright, be back here in a few minutes and we'll flip them. We'll flip them over. Alright, we've let it cook for about 5-6 minutes. We're going to flip it over, let it cook on the other side. We have to cook that on the other side. And cook these others. You just want your temperature to be 165 degrees. We'll be back here in just a few minutes. Alright folks, we got our chicken done here. All of them come up to 165. We're going to get all our chicken out. And then we'll put in a stick of butter. And we'll saute our vegetables up. Be right back. Oh, and I also should say, we're going to dice our chicken up into chunks. Not strips and break it up. But we're going to dice it up. Alright, be back here in a few minutes. Alright, now we got our chicken out. What we're going to do, we're going to put a stick of butter in. And we're going to saute up our carrots, onions, and celery. Be right back. Alright, now we've melted our butter down. We're going to put in our celery. And we're going to put in an onion. Now we're just going to cook that down until it's about translucent for both of them. I'm going to wait and put my carrots in until the very end because they're already cooked down. Well, not cooked down, but they're already cooked. And I forgot to mention, all we're doing for the dumpling recipe is Mom's just going to make her biscuit dough. She's made her biscuit dough before there, her biscuits. We'll leave a link down in the description there. You can check it out there. Her biscuits, best in the world. I like them better than Hardee's and McDonald's, any of them places. Bojangles even. She got Bojangles beat even. It is. Alright, we're going to cook that down till they're translucent and be back. Alright, we've got our onions and celery cooked down pretty much. Now we're going to add in our half cup of flour. Whisk it together. And then next we'll put in our broth. And then after that we'll put in our carrots because we don't want them to break apart. With the whisking and all there, they'll probably break apart there, so we'll put that in after we put the broth in. And then we'll put in our cream of chicken soup. Alright, we'll be back here in just a few minutes. Alright, we got it pretty much whisked together. Now we're going to take our chicken broth here. set this aside here. Stir this up here. Let it get evenly put together with the celery and our seasonings and our butter and our flour and everything. Alright, be right back. Alright, now we're going to put in our cream of chicken soup. This is just to thicken it up, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, Mom said they're probably need to put in a little bit more water before we put our chicken in.
I'll just put in some water.
Yeah, just put in some water. You ain't gonna put in a lot.
Okay. Where the dumplings are cooked.
Alright, we added another quart of water in. Now we're gonna put in our carrots. Okay. Mom said once we add the chicken in and the dumplings there, you'll need your broth there to cook with the dumplings, cook the dumplings. And they'll suck them up, suck up the water and all, your seasons and everything. Alright, we got our broth and our vegetables and everything up to a simmer. Now we're just going to put our chicken in. Okay. Stir our chicken around. Alright, be right back. Alright, now we're going to put our dumplings in. If they come off the ice cream scoop. Cookie scoop. Now, we'll get these dumplings started in here. We'll let them cook for about 15 minutes and we'll check them with a toothpick.
Okay. Make sure you cover them up.
Yeah, make sure you cover them up. Alright, now we got our dumplings in. We're just going to cover it for 15 minutes. Be right back. Alright, we'll cook the dumplings for 15 minutes. Now, we'll get it all plated up here. Oh, it's fogging up. Alright, be right back. Alrighty folks, here it is all bowled up, plated up, however you say it there. Mom, give it a try.
Alright.
Maybe too hot to taste right now.
Maybe.
Just don't get burned.
Chicken. Give me a minute. It's going to have to be
We'll have to blow on it a little bit.
carrot too. Oh, well, we'll do that later.
It's hot, folks.
But delicious. Very good. Done a good job, Dan.
Alrighty, thank you. Alright.
Delicious.
Alrighty, folks. Dad, you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
It may be too hot to eat right
It's
now.
hot. Very hot.
Folks, we're going to come back to me just a second here.
You don't want to get burned up.
I don't want to get burned up.
We'll be right back here in just a second. We're going to go do our evening chore and we'll be back and taste test it. Dad will taste test it and I'll taste test it too.
I told them it's going to be like lava.
It's like lava.
Was it like lava, Shug?
Not too bad.
Oh, well, hey, you're tougher than I am.
Alright, we'll be right back here in just a few minutes. Let it cool down a little.
Alrighty.
It's cooled off enough.
Well, let's hope. We was up there feeding and taking care of everything there. That is delicious. It's a winner, folks.
Alrighty, folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Delicious.
Thank you, Dad. Thank yous for watching. Have a blessed day.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon.